In this video, we're going to go over how to create a new status as a system admin. On the menu bar, you will need to go to the settings. Here you will find the agent status section. Click on the blue button to add an agent status. A slide-out will appear, and here you can select the name for the status. Here you can also select if the agent is available to receive tasks while they are in this status. Threshold limits send a notification to the supervisor and system admins when one or more agents have gone over a certain amount of time in this status. This is set in seconds. You can also limit this status to specific roles. Save your changes and add the new status to the system. For the new changes to reflect into your contact center platform, remember to refresh after saving the changes. Since this status was only added for the agent and the supervisor role, this does not appear on the system admin view. Changing here to a supervisor account, and you will be able to refresh and see the new status appear now.